Hello guys, welcome back to Pretech Ideas. Guys, in this video I will teach you how you can add chart wizard or WhatsApp icon to your WordPress website. So if you don't yet subscribe my channel, please hit subscribe, like and share my videos with your friends. I really appreciate. So let's get start this video. As I already installed WordPress on my hosting platform, but if you're going to set up a business website, e-commerce website or a blog, any type of website, you're looking for best hosting, I will give link in description, which I personally use hosting platform. You can also try those one. So next step, even you have any type of a website or any theme you're using, you can still enable this feature by using WordPress plugin. So if I show you my website here, this is just a basic website I just install on my hosting platform just to show you how you can enable the chat icon or WhatsApp icon on your WordPress website. So let me bring you to the plugin section. Let's click on add plugin. In the plugin, let's search for chat. After we search chat, we have a lot of plugins here. So let me give you an example which I personally use the plugin. Let me scroll down here. They have a lot of options. Let me search for Chatly. So here, this is the plugin. Floating chat widget, contact chat icon, telegram, link, messenger. You can enable any type of icon on your website, not only WhatsApp icons. So let's go ahead, click on install now. And we will activate this plugin right away. Click on activate. After activate, it will show you the welcome pop-up here. Now our plugin is ready here. Let's click on create widget. So here you have to provide your widget name. You can set any type of widget name here, and you can also create a new widget every time. So you have to remember your widget names here, or you can keep it as default widget 1. And the next, here in the right side we have a review. You can click here and you will able to see the icons. They have to click here and the pop-up will open with the all icons if you want to enable multiple icons on your website. So example, now it's time to select WhatsApp here, Facebook Messenger and email. You can select a multiple icon. If I click here again, and it will open multiple icon now because we have done selection from the options. They have a lot of option like Instagram DM, contact form. You can also create a pop-up for you can create icon for contact form as well. Google Map, Telegram. We have a lot of options. Let's start from setting up our WhatsApp icon. In the setting here downside, you have to provide your WhatsApp number with the country code. Example, if you live in USA, you have to enter like +1 346 592 something like that. If you live in India, you have to enter +91 country code and then number. And next setting, if you want to enable this icon on mobile or desktop only, you have to select only desktop. Otherwise you can hide on mobile. Just uncheck on the mobile side. You also can add agents. For that you have to upgrade to Pro, and we have a setting in the WordPress further settings. Let's click on setting. You also can enter your number here. If you're not sure about the country code, you can click to setting, and next you also can choose icon appearance. If you want to set custom image, but if you want to keep it default, you can do not change it. Next, on hover phone, you can change this text. This text will appear next to your channel when a visitor hover on it. Okay, next you can enter your phone number here. You can select your country. If you're not sure about your country code, you can select your country. Example, let me select here Philippines, and then it will automatic add the country code. You have to only provide the phone number. And here, if you want to enable chat visit with a WhatsApp, and it will open chat visit. When they click on the WhatsApp icon, it will open a chatbot for them. They can ask any question, then it will notify you on your WhatsApp. How I can help you? You can change your welcome message. The message here, it will show on your website. When they click on the WhatsApp icon, example here, the chat icon will open with this text. How can I help you? You can modify this. Let's chat on WhatsApp. You can change the heading here, upper side for the chatbot. Header background, you can change your header background here. If I select black, and you will see now there is a black header in the WhatsApp chat. Next, you can also give nickname, add profile picture if you want to display profile picture here, and write your message option. This is only a placeholder. Write your message. You can keep it default setting. So this is the setting for the chat WhatsApp chat icon. Someone will click here, they will you will be notified on your WhatsApp. And then there is a option for the messenger. You have to provide your messenger link. You can find your messenger link in your Facebook. When you use messenger, you have to click in setting. You will find your messenger link. It will start with here, example, https://m.me, and then your username. Same here, you can also hide on desktop or mobile phone. In the email, you can just provide your email address. They will click on the icon, example email icon, and it will bring them to their compose or their email. Even they are using phone, it will bring them to their Gmail or any other mail provider. It will auto pop up their compose message. So you can set your requirement. You can select the icons you want to enable on your website according your needs. So let's click on save visit. You need to fill out at least one channel detail for I have to provide the number here. Let's provide any random number, 96, example like that. Save visit. Now our visit will be enabled on the front page. Let's check out our website if our icons are visible. Yeah, you can see our icons are visible here. Let's click on it, and it will immediately open the WhatsApp for them. Other icon not visible. Let me show you the reason here, because you have to fill out all the options. Example, if I fill here any examples email, just to show you guys, and then if I change now, and this messenger will also be there. Let's refresh it. Now let's click on it, and now you can see there are multiple icons. Now the icons will only visible as long as you have entered the value inside the icons. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you have any question regarding the chat icons, let me know in comments. I will definitely reply you there. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it.